This is Michaela, a bookkeeper from QuickBooks Live. Welcome to QuickBooks Online. Let's go over where everything is so you can start using QuickBooks to manage your business efficiently. Under Dashboards, you'll see a checklist of things to set up, shortcuts to some of the most common activities in QuickBooks, and many charts and graphs for different aspects of your finances. Under each, you'll see a link where you can take action. You can customize these by moving the charts and graphs and resizing some of them. Select Add or Remove Widgets to add or remove what you see here. The Transactions tab is where you connect your bank and credit cards to QuickBooks, so your transactions import automatically and securely. Linking your bank accounts to QuickBooks is an important first step in the setup process. App Transactions is where you can connect your sales channels like Shopify or Amazon to QuickBooks. You can also view your receipts, reconcile your books, and view your chart of accounts here. In Sales, you'll find your money in options like invoices, estimates, and all of the products and services you offer. And in Expenses, you'll find your money out options and who you have to pay, such as bills, vendors, and contractors. You can also track your business mileage here. Here, you can add your customers and have the option to connect your account to MailChimp. This tab is where you'll run valuable reports to see how your company is performing. Payroll is where you pay your employees or contractors. And Time is where you can track the hours your team has worked. If you have QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced, you can track your expenses and profitability by project here, or create budgets here. Next, Taxes is where you set up your sales tax rates and view or manage any other taxes or filings your business has. If you want help managing your books, you can invite your accountant to QuickBooks using their email here, or use the link to find a pro in your area. If you want a QuickBooks bookkeeper like me, you'll see the option to use live bookkeeping services here. Under Banking Services, you can sign up for a QuickBooks checking account. Lastly, in the Apps Center, you can connect business apps to QuickBooks. You can also customize your navigation here. You have the option to drag and rearrange the tabs, uncheck the tabs, which hides them from the menu, and you can add bookmarks for the pages you use every day. You can also rearrange sections such as menu and bookmarks for even greater personalization. You can always see the tabs you've hidden here. When you need to create a new transaction, like an invoice or an expense, select New, and you'll see everything you can create for customers, vendors, or employees. Now that we've gone over the left-hand navigation, let's take a look at your gear icon. In Settings, you can also do things like add and manage users, manage your billing and subscription info, and set your preferences so QuickBooks is optimized to work for your business. Finally, when you find something you have questions about, help is just a click away. Select the Help icon to chat with our online assistant, see topics related to the page you're on, search for more info, or contact support. Now that you know your way around a bit, what's next is up to you. Visit our Video Center to find lots of videos on how to set everything up. Welcome to QuickBooks.